Okay, so today I wanted to plumb up the water tower. So I got a few fittings ready to go, and I'm gonna put these out here for the hoses to go on, so they don't. I didn't want to use anything sharper or thinner because it kinks the hose when it sits there too long. So let's get started. Okay, so I made this fitting. It's gonna fit in there like that. But first we're gonna grab some T-tape to cause any less leaks. It doesn't matter if it leaks or not, it's just water. I mean, it's not going in your basement. Like that. It's the proper way to hold T-tape. For all those who don't know. Alright. Screw that in there. Take this off right here. There's a gasket, so we're definitely going to want to use that. And there we go. So, like that. Now I'm just going to hook up one of the hoses, and I have two 50-footers. Instead of one 100-footer, so that way I can just do the 50-foot mark and don't have to lug around a big 100-foot hose. And then I can just hook up the other one, and then it's easy to disconnect, and then we'll start wrapping it this way so that it's easier. These are brand new. Picked it all up, and we're all done for that. Now I'm just gonna go do some watering here, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do there too. Oh no, I didn't have one of those slip ranges there, did I? Even though I have plenty of radishes, I was able to get the last of the Hascaps and a few gooseberries. We have some friends over. I'm going to let them give them a try. But my radishes are looking awesome now. Oh my goodness. It's time to resow. We're just about to get started on some welding of these roof struts here. So we're going to get going on the first one here. And then hopefully I can get all 4 of these done today. I'd like to get more, but this up and down the ladder stuff kind of really wears you out a bit, and I'm in direct sunlight. But let's go see what I can do. I've got a lot of the other glass rails up there just to kind of guide me a little bit. Well, there's the first one attached. Welded up. Now I'm going to do the other side and work my way to the top. Screw strut number 2. I had to pull it in a little bit because it was a little bit far away. He's kind of out of shape. So now I'm going to set up for the next one here. It's all getting a little more sturdy as I go. I've got them all the struts in now. There's just this one angle here I want to kind of get, and I really have to stretch it out because it's been bent right up that line right there. It's been bent, so I gotta strap it down to my car. I got quite a bit of tension on it right now. And I just got to finish that weld, and that pretty much solidifies this section. And then I can work on the next section, which is going to be a pain in the butt because I have to match up all of those cross poles. But I won't be putting these window rails in as I go forward until it's complete, because they just kind of get in the way. The first one was good to help me line it up, but yeah, they got in the way.
We got some radishes here. We got some kale over here. We got red kale here. I think it looks more like purple. And then I got some zucchini growing here. They always get pretty big. We got some cherry tomatoes back here. Cilantro, which is flowering now. Celery. Peppers. More kale. Some carrots. See that? Some red romaine. Red leaf lettuce. Some more romaine. Little strawberry patch.